returning. I hope this video finds you happy and doing well. As you know by the thumbnail, this video is going to be over discounted makeup favorites. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. All right, so this is going to be a collab between myself and Alejandra Lisette. If you don't know her, you've got to check her out. She goes by Alex and she's too cute, so adorable. She does a lot of project pans. She does some get ready with me here and there. She does some tag videos, but she really loves eyeshadow palettes. And I know that a lot of you all, as well as myself, like eyeshadow palettes. She's a very conscientious shopper. She's very mindful of the purchases that she makes. She's gonna look at it, decide if she needs it, if she's gonna use it. You know, you really get that when you're watching her channel. Either way, she's lovely and so sweet. You have got to go and visit her. And when you do, please tell her that I sent you. All right, so first I want to start off with one of my favorite brands, and that is Natasha Denona. Her diamond blush palettes have been on sale for $44 for the longest on Sephora, and I think that you can find them on sale on her website too. These palettes originally retailed for $89, and for me that was a lot to purchase full price. I purchased these during a sale when they were already on sale, so I got them cheaper than $44. These palettes are absolutely beautiful. You get creams and powders, and what I actually like about this product is that the creams are actually covered by this little window right here, so the powder products will not get into them. I particularly love working with creams. I like working with cream blushes, bronzers. I just think that they are really good to work with, especially if you want to add a powder on top of it. But these are really nice. But anyway, these are so divine. I have enjoyed using them, and I know for sure on the cream products, I know I'm gonna hit pan on those. All right, so next I have two foundations, and these are by Physicians Formula, and these are the healthy foundations. This foundation does have an SPF of 20 and it has a brightening complex. So what I want to say about this particular foundation is that it is hands down the best drugstore foundation out there. There has been some buzz that they're going to DC this, and that's why it's currently on sale. If you're looking for a foundation that will always have your complexion looking beautiful, perfect, every time, each time, you should really try this one out. You can find it on their website right now for $10.39 or so. But again, it's a beautiful foundation, and it does have really good ingredients that are going to be really good for your skin over time. So if you're someone out there who wears foundations every day, I would recommend this one. If you can, check it out. Like I said, it's only $10 and change on their website right now. And if you sign up for their email address, you can get 15% off the already low price of $10. So again, this one is the best, according to me, the best drugstore foundation out there. All right, so the next thing that I have is by Cover FX, and this is the Power Play Concealer. This is full coverage. I love it. I'm not sure if they're going to DC it because it has been discounted for some time, and every review that I've ever watched historically, before I first bought it, everybody loved it, said that it had really good coverage. So even though it's discounted, I'm not sure if it offers all of the shades that it originally offered, you know, when it first came out. But if you're able to pick this one up, I think the thing that I like most about this concealer is that it's not going to leave your under eyes over dry to where you can see every crease and crack and all of that. It just wears really well on the skin. It looks really well. And if you're looking for a concealer, I would definitely say to check this one out. All right, so this next one is a FENTY product, and I know you all probably already know what it is. It's the Killawatt Full Highlighting Palette. Here are the shades, and it seems like this particular product went on sale right after it released. I think a lot of people hate it. Why? I don't know. I feel as though these shades, if you're of deeper skin tone, can be used as a blush or a highlighter. These up here can be used as eyeshadow or inner eye highlight. You know, the list is endless. The formula is beautiful. It plays well with other powders that you put on your face. So I'm not sure why this has forever been on sale, but immediately when I first saw it, I had to have it. If these look like the type of colors or shades that would interest you, I would definitely jump on it. Again, you don't necessarily have to use all of these shades as a highlight. It could be a blush or an eyeshadow. Either way, it's lovely. When I first got this, I was using it in every look, literally. You could go back in older videos right after this dropped. In my description, I like to put what's on my face. You would see this highlighter palette like in almost every video, but this is so beautiful and I would recommend getting it. All right, I have another foundation, and this is the Stila Hide and Chic foundation, and this is another one that it seemed like it hit the market, and right after that, it went on sale. The reviews for it aren't really low, so maybe people just aren't buying it. The few reviews that I saw on it spoke a lot about the texture being very fluid, thin, or runny. Now I'm going to tell you, I'm 48, going to be 49 September 1st, and if you have mature skin, you really don't want a foundation that's going to be thick. You want something that is going to be thin, and you know, and just because a foundation is thin doesn't mean that it's going to be sheer. So this one is medium coverage and it looks really pretty on the skin. It is featherweight, lightweight, and when you have it on, especially if you're able to find your correct shade, you can't tell that you have foundation on. Foundations that have a thinner, more fluid consistency, I feel, are better if you have mature skin. You know, this is a foundation that you don't have to set, so you don't have to worry about putting a powder on top of your skin. But when you put it on and someone is in your face in person, like in your face like that, they're not going to be able to tell that you have foundation on because the consistency of it. So if you're like me and you like those thinner foundations, I would definitely check this one out. All right, and so the last product that I have are Urban Skin RX Glycolic pads, and it basically looks like this. You have your little pads on the inside of it. And what I really like about these pads is that it's powered by a 7.5 glycolic acid. So as you know, with glycolic acid, you're going to improve the signs of aging. You're going to improve dark spots. You're going to minimize breakouts. And it also has papaya extract in it as well as phytic acid, which is also going to help with hyperpigmentation. So you have that plus the 7.5 glycolic acid, which is also going to help you improve any dark spots that you have on your skin. So that's pretty much it, short and sweet. Let me know if you've tried any of the products that I mentioned and if they work for you. And don't forget to please go and visit Alejandra. And don't forget that when you visit her, tell her that I sent you. So let me know down in the comments what you think about the products that I mentioned. I'd love to hear about it. Smooches.